this video, we're gonna learn about fractions. What are fractions? Fractions are a way of writing part of a whole number. Like for example, if we have a pie and we shade one part of it, then we can say that the fraction is equivalent to 1 out of 4 parts. We can also write it into form 1 divided by 4, and this is also equivalent to a fraction of 1 over 4. And this is how you write fraction 1 over 4. Another example, if we shaded two parts of this pie, then we can say that the shaded part is 2 out of 4 parts, or 2 divided by 4. And to write it in fraction, that is 2 over 4. Another example, what about if we shaded it in 3 parts? Then we can say that the shaded portions are 3 out of 4 parts. In fraction, this is 3 over 4. What about if we shade 4 parts of the pie? Then we can say that there are 4 shaded parts out of 4 parts, or 4 out of 4, or a whole, 1 whole. So let's just do test samples. Let's say I shaded one part of it, these portions, and so let's answer. So what is the equivalent fractions of the following? So number 1, we have 1 part over how many divided parts? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. So therefore, the fraction for this image is 1 out of 6, or 1 over 6. This one, we have how many shaded parts? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then, how many divided parts overall? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9. So, this is the fraction for that drawing. Then, how many shaded parts? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many overall parts? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. After that, let's have an assignment.